Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your OS and the PDF reader you'll use, because feature sets differ between Acrobat, Edge, Foxit, and lightweight apps. Open a duplicate copy of the PDF now. Once done, you avoid data loss and can compare results. Next, check View or Accessibility settings immediately. Those menus usually contain color or theme controls. Make sure the reader is updated to the latest version, so any inversion or accessibility toggles appear as described. You now apply the inversion using the reader's tools. In Acrobat, open Accessibility and choose Replace Document Colors, enable Custom Colors, and swap white for black and black for white. If you're in Edge or Chrome, switch to Reading Mode or install a reliable extension that inverts PDF colors. Make sure to allow it for local files. For other readers, look under View or Display for a night mode or high contrast option. Once configured, scroll through pages to check images and annotations. You finish by saving the inverted version, export or print to PDF to bake the color changes into a new file if you want permanence. Make sure to inspect images and forms. Sometimes full inversion harms photographs, so selectively invert text only when possible. If colors look wrong, update your reader, try a different app, or open the file in a PDF editor that supports color replacement. One key tip: if pages render slowly, disable hardware acceleration and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.